Hello, first I have created this form for top 3 defects, defect analysis and KPI. So first you go to the sheet 1, it's delete the task, and then you'll see the each detail like a PO style, dates or something. So next you go here, you'll see type of defects. And then you fill down, you go down and fill in each column which style or what kind of defects, how many quality inspection here, and then you go to the like yellow here. It the formula from the defects and inspection quantity. So it is the percentage. You're gonna say the defect analysis. It's linked to here. So you select weekly, they will show weekly. You select daily, you will see the daily, monthly. You will see the defect analysis monthly. So and then you will go next. You're gonna see here there's a KPI, and then you see here there are something here, the information here. It will show you when you select here, like you select which dates. It will show you the dates. You select week, they will show you weekly, week 1, 2, 3 or 4 or something here. Then if you want something, you can select here. Yeah, the diagram will be changed. If not changed, and then you refresh. You go one refresh. Here you select PO or something. You click OK. So this will change based on the daily data you type. So it will show here. If the auditor want daily, you can select here for daily, or monthly, weekly. You can select what you want here. So if there is nothing here, it is because of the data daily report you type didn't have, so they will not show here. So you'll go again and recheck, or sometimes with error you can select